Qualified STGT candidates staged a protest and sit in demonstration before submitting a deputation to a TRBT Chairman on Wednesday, expressing strong resentment over prolonged recruitment delays. On Wednesday, qualified STGT candidates met with the chairman of the Teachers Recruitment Board at Tripura to submit a deputation demanding clarity on the timeline for verification and urging the immediate publication of the final merit list.
Chini STGT ni recruitment or Saizuman Porefana, Tango Kai Avan recruitment Kayaka in Porcarica. Porcariman to know, pass already Kaipeka. Kamen Porifana, the other Lipaka, other men Porifana, passes of the Puno, Chicago, and the recruitment of the Open Senman, Continue or Kaisas, and told Dotona Chini Jata, Japas, Hazaprono, Hunia question. Domain ka senior sini director surprise in Kokfanya bagai kita paling. Tarmana angka to 2,300 cimcing tongang kasa sebab nong kajak nongo. Omnis ani to es over na naik to. Omna ang sini mana jomo to sini director samnang. Omna ani request kasa. Jene si kamutri sini sar no bang kasa mone request. Jatuh somanya opek kana tatarino mana suno cakri sebab ko tong tong. Omna ani koimu.
Reporter Benarin from Magatla, Chini Khorang.